For the past 12 days, Bitcoin is consolidating in this tight range and getting ready for a huge breakout. Is this going to end up with a breakout to the upside towards the supply zone, or is this going to break down to the local bottom? You will get to know in this video what will happen next with the highest probability. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from MyCryptoParadise and let's analyze Bitcoin. Right now you can see that we have this kind of price action, consolidation in this zone after we have been making this inverse head and shoulders. So as you can see right here, shoulder, head, shoulder, it's absolutely as from the book basically. So shoulder, head and shoulder, right? So this is basically the head. Right here we have the shoulders, and now right here we have the neckline, right? And we have been consolidating, as already mentioned, in the neckline for the past 12 days. This could be understood as a bull flag as well, but inverse head and shoulders is actually more precise at this point right now. And as you can see in this chart, what is happening with this pattern is that there is a higher probability, if this formation occurs, that there will be a breakout through the neckline rather than the breakdown. So this is just a basic technical analysis, right? So if we basically put this shoulder into a spectrum of percentage, this is a 6% leg to the upside, right? So if we take this and we put it right here, it basically take us somewhere to around 18,170, which basically aligns with this wickout right here. We have the supply zone mentioned here at 18,510, because this is also an important Fibonacci level. Plus we have this kinda situation over here, right? There was a lot of price action going on around here because there was closing the candle and then opening a new one. So we think actually that after we break out, and you can see that we are already breaking out, we will go to the $18,500. So we are expecting a huge breakout to the upside. This neckline needs to be broken, and this candle, this daily candle, needs to be closed above this neckline. So around 17,100, we want to see a close of this candle above it. Right now you can see that we are basically forming a bullish hammer candle. As you can see right here, this is a bullish hammer candle, and we are forming it on a daily time frame. So this is very strong indication that if we close this candle above this neckline, about 17,100 at least, this will continue to the upside, and we will revisit this supply zone at around 18,500. So 2 hours 56 minutes remaining for this daily candle to close above 17,100. If we don't close above it and we close below this neckline, it's not necessarily a complete bearish sign which would send us down to the local bottom. We can continue like range trading here in this zone before we break out. If however we will be closing below 16,000, this will be a huge indication that we will not only go below the local, towards the local bottom, but even below it and make a new low. So we really need to watch 16,000. This is a demand area. If we close below this wick, a daily candle, we will go to the local bottom, which is at 15,500, and most likely we will go even further and we will make a new lower low. This is for Bitcoin right now. We have had some footing going on about Binance, CoinDesk basically, which is by the way owned by people who were affected by the FTX exchange. So maybe this is some kind of revenge, but basically they are writing that Binance is possible money laundering, but we know the people who have been around since 2017, they know that this food was going around at 2018, and exactly as we have been mentioning in our tweet, and also Binance was of course like defending themselves. This is basically just old news taken from 2018. They are transforming it in some breaking news for the people who don't even remember anymore what happened in the 2018 or weren't around at that time. And basically now they are before the Fed meeting, which is tomorrow, and we expect a big move to happen. They are trying to share panic around the markets. They are forcing people to sell their crypto, right? They are thinking they will release this kind of fear around the market, because people will start to realize like, yeah, I know what happened with FTX, now it can happen with Binance, and it will send the whole crypto down. So they are doing this before the Fed meeting, and this gives us actually even more confidence that Bitcoin will start to break out and we will revisit this supply zone at 18,500. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to this channel so you don't miss an update about Bitcoin. And if you are ready to start trading like a professional, I will see you in the VIP right after watching this video. And also join our free Paradise channel. So take it easy and smooth, and see you next time.